I am Alessio, and these are my classmates. We are in our school kitchen. Today we'll show how to make pasta. Pasta is one of our most famous national dishes, and we eat pasta every day. A common belief about pasta is that it was brought to Italy from China by Marco Polo in the 13th century.
The ingredients to prepare homemade pasta for 4 people are 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, salt, 4 eggs, about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil.
Place the flour in a large mixing bowl. Make a well in the center. Whack the eggs into the well and add the oil. With a fork, beat the eggs and oil. Gradually combining them with the flour. When the dough becomes too thick to work with the fork, continue with your fingertips and when your hands.
Knead the dough on a flour surface for about 10 minutes. The dough will become smooth and elastic. If the dough is sticky, dust it lightly with some flour. Let it rest for 30 minutes before rolling. Use a pasta machine. Use a pasta machine to roll the dough and cut 1 cm strips for fettuccine.
Now let's make the tomato sauce. The ingredients are tomatoes, carrots, celery, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, half onion finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves crushed, half teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper.
Pour the olive oil into a large pan over medium heat. Add the chopped celery, garlic and carrots. Add the fresh tomatoes, peeled and seeded. Add some basil leaves, oregano and salt to taste.
Drain the pasta, add the tomato sauce and toss in a large pan to combine. Serve hot. You can top it with grated Parmesan cheese and parsley.